Okay.
So if we tap it lightly, nothing happens. A little lightly, we get 1. A little more harder, we get 2. A bit harder, we get 3. And then very hard, all 4 will light up.
How this circuit works is that in the beginning of this detector, we have this detector section where we have the piezo sensor right here, and we have a potentiometer to adjust the offset that controls the gain with that this op amp right here perceives. And in addition to that, to stabilize the offset gain of the voltage in the op amp, we used a capacitor to smooth out the erratic voltage signals from the piezo. And to help with the gain itself, we also put in a 1 mega ohm resistor to stabilize the voltage from the piezo, and also 2, to actually increase the sensitivity of the detector circuit.
Okay, so these 2 breadboards right here are a comparator sort of sub-circuit and then a voltage divider circuit. And the point of this is to sort of like process our signal and divide it into levels so that we can ignite different LEDs based on the voltage of the input signal. So in our comparators, we have these reference voltages here, which are each linked to a different reference voltage, and each is sort of 1 step higher than the next. So here we can see that our output from the op amp is put as an input into our comparators and sort of compared to the reference voltage. And then if that voltage from the op amp is greater than these reference voltages, then it'll output a logic 1 to this circuit over here, which is our last portion.
And this last portion circuit here is heavily based off of the most recent time module, the timed reaction module, module 930. And basically, for each of these MOSFETs, we've adjusted each voltage, I guess, on level based off of, again, this voltage divider subsection. And when and for each MOSFET, if its voltage on is reached, then it gives a go-ahead and lights up an LED. And then that LED stays on based on a time constant, which is determined by these capacitors and these little red 1000 kilo ohm resistors. And the time constant for each one, we made them 1 second. And yeah, that is how the circuit works.